Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Less Annoying CRM, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Less Annoying CRM, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in lessannoyingcrm.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign up button to be taken to the registration page. Here, you will find a form prompting you to enter your business email address. Type in your email address carefully to avoid any errors. Next, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password is strong and unique to protect your information. After you've entered your password, confirm it by retyping it in the designated field. Proceed by clicking the Create Account button at the bottom of the form. A verification email will now be sent to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Less Annoying CRM. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you've found the email, click on the verification link included in the message. This will redirect you back to Less Annoying CRM to complete your registration. Now, you may be prompted to provide additional information about your business. Fill in the required fields, such as your business name and phone number. Review your information to ensure everything is accurate. Once you have completed all the necessary fields, click on the Finish Setup button. Congratulations, you are now registered with Less Annoying CRM. You can start customizing your account to fit your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.